fact, did you finish a puzzle in record time in Meowdoku, but your global leaderboard score never actually shows up or updates? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings app and then scroll to Meowdoku or just directly search for it. And make sure that cellular data is turned on for the app, since leaderboard scores require an active internet connection to submit, and the game won't always warn you clearly if that submission silently fails. Force close the Meowdoku app away from your list of apps list, and then wait for a few hours and reopen it while connected to a strong Wi-Fi or cellular signal. Then check the leaderboard screen again, since it sometimes simply needs a fresh connection to pull the latest standings rather than showing cached older data. If your score is still not appearing, go to your settings app, then go to General iPhone Stories, scroll down to the list of apps until you find Meowdoku. Once you see it, tap on it, then tap Offload app. Go to your app store, search for Meowdoku, and then make sure to reinstall it fresh from there, since a corrupted local leaderboard cage can prevent new scores from displaying even after they've been submitted successfully. So all you've got to do is check your connection is active, force close and reopen on a strong signal, and offload and reinstall if your score still won't show. Subscribe.